Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 13.1 question number 10. Here is question number 10. A loaded truck travels 14 km in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? Here you see, we have given the information in a tabular form. Distance traveled in kilometer. When the distance traveled in kilometer is 14 km, time taken is 25 minutes. If the speed remains same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? And if the time taken is 5 hours means 5 into 60, that is 300 minutes, right? When the time is 300 minutes, what is the distance traveled in kilometer, right? Here you see, the distance traveled and the time are in direct proportion, because if the time increases, the distance traveled will also increase, right? Therefore, we can say that the distance traveled, the distance traveled, the distance traveled and the time and the time and the time are in direct proportion, are in direct proportion, are in direct proportion, are in direct proportion, right? Therefore, are in direct proportion. Therefore, we can write 14 by 25 is equal to x by 300, or you can find the value of x as x is equal to 300 into 14 divided by 25. We divide it by 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. 0. 5 is 5. 5 12 is 60. If we multiply 14 with 12, we are getting 14 with 12. 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2. 4 1 is 4. 1 1 is 1. That is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. 168. Therefore, we are getting 168. 168. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 168. 168. And that is in kilometer. If the speed remains same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? Therefore, we can say that the distance traveled by the truck is 168 km. How far it can travel in 5 hours? Therefore, we can say that it can travel the truck. Therefore, the truck can travel. Therefore, the truck can travel 168 kilometer. 168 kilometer in 5 hours. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.